Assalamu alaikum. I want to make a stuffed eggplant. See, this is eggplant. I just peel it, kind of design. I have two. You can have as much as you want. And actually, I have three. And I have diced onion. And I have garlic and jalapeno. And you need tomato sauce. And you need hamburger meat. So now, and I use tomato sauce, it's easy way to cook with. Now I'm gonna put the onion. You know, with the experience of cooking, you get, before you get tomato sauce and tomato paste and add seasoning. Now the spaghetti sauce, it has more, you know. It has basil, it has garlic, it has seasoning. So it's easy cut, you know. So I want to share with you this recipe because it's low carb and you're going to love it. Whomever love eggplant. And you know, with the life going, alhamdulillah, we have to get busy with something to make, you know, make you busy. And when you finish cooking, you feel good about yourself. You make your husband happy because now we're sitting home and they sitting home. For the first time we experience how husbands used to be home. Now you add the garlic to the onion, and you're gonna slice jalapeno. I love jalapeno. This is a choice. If you want it, that's fine. If you don't want, that's fine. See, you're gonna cook it a little bit, then we're gonna add the meat. Till that get ready. Now see the eggplant, I just peel it. And now you're gonna cut it exactly half. It's like zucchini boat, but now we're doing eggplant boat. See, I leave this to keep it like, to hold the stuffing in. See? And you need to put that in the oven. And you need to add to it, you see now the result, you're gonna love it. And it's no carb, extremely no carb. You're gonna love it. Now we're gonna add the meat. See? And you're gonna add salt. See, Himalayan salt. You know, you know, with you cooking, you know how much, like 1 teaspoon. And you need the black pepper. And you need all the spices. And the crushed red pepper. All this to make it taste good. Now we let it cook till we get the rest of the stuff. See, you need a pan to make it ready when you want to cook. Try just to peel the middle part and just to make an area where you add the stuffing in it. See? Slowly. And actually eggplant nice for the taste. See? See? Just like that. You just keep scratching the eggplant. And who doesn't like? I love eggplant. Eggplant, I love it in every way. See? This is where I put the stuffing here. I'm gonna show you, like, it's an easy way. You don't need to work hard in it. See? Because the eggplant is tasty by itself. You know, you don't need to go hard on. You know, it's not gonna go waste. See? I use the spoon even. See? And now, this is filling. We're gonna add it to the meat because we don't wanna go waste. See? You can add it or you can do salad by itself. What about if I show you salad with it, okay? I'm not gonna put it on the meat, I'm gonna use salad with it. See? We're gonna use this. I'm gonna make salad with it. You're gonna saute it. See, we're gonna move these because you're gonna put it in the oven. And when you put it in the oven, it'll be, see, we're gonna add just some tomato sauce. And we're gonna put them like that, like exactly zucchini both, but we're gonna have them with eggplant both. See? See, now I'm gonna just put a little bit salt in it, so it's gonna be nice and tasty. It won't be like, no, it's gonna be nice flavor. Like when you eat it, you're not gonna stop eating it. And now we're gonna add some black pepper. It's okay, tastes good anyway. And now, see what you do? You're gonna put it in the middle of the eggplant. And we're gonna cover it, and you're gonna put it in the oven for half hour. Because eggplant is easy to cook. And this is very easy with the lifestyle, no carb. You're not gonna have hard time choosing, you know, the eggplant, the low carb. This is low carb by there, okay? Now, see, we're gonna cover it and put it in the oven. Just add a little bit sauce in it because it tastes good. Make it nice and juicy. And it has some of the flavor, you know. And that's it. Now in the oven. I'll show you one more thing. I'm gonna add some toasted peanuts. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Will make it taste delicious. See? Healthy to the max. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 and cover it with aluminum foil for half an hour. Okay? شايفين هاي النتيجة الأخيرة خلصنا وهاي الزوكيني. ماشي? Just want you to see.